Alrighty, so we have added videos, text, we've changed the layout, we added our voice, and now we're going to take a look at how you're going to be able to personalize this video of yours. Here on the theme, we'll have layout, so you have theme. You have several ones to pick from. You don't have a whole bunch of choices, which is good, again, because you kids are not going to go and where? Weeds. I said it right this time. Alrighty, if you hover over it, it's going to give you like a little demo. You can see how the transitions is already inserted for you. This is going to be, you know, the font's going to be a little different, and I mean the color, the font's going to be the same. I think if you scroll down, you can see other things. If you click on this little pencil, you can edit the colors, the font, but I will just stick to what you have right now because you are learning how to create videos in this little board. So just stick to that. Then you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I don't know what I did. So notice that, you know, this is different. The font looks different. So yeah, you have some different options here. I think this mega doesn't move, but like the text is always moving. I'm like, whoa. Yeah, but the whole video is going to be like that. Just think about that. Okay, so if you want to select that one, you have options to do the colors if you want. Notice that the thing changed again, but I like just the regular standard light. All right, so that's what I'm going to click, and now it changed it here, and we're good to go. Now you might want to do this as a square. Now you're going to have to reformat the whole thing to be able to fit a square, but this is where you will change it. So I will do this in the very beginning, but if you change your mind, you can definitely do that. And look, it kept the video and it kept the picture. It's just the text that is changing. So those are the options that you have. With the music, I will honestly stick to the music choices that you have here. Again, I'm going to turn it on. I will lower the volume just because you don't want the audio to be like, oh, too much, because it's too much for some students and for some adults. So make it soft. You can preview it. There's not a whole bunch, so I mean, pick your favorite ones that you like. There's a button that says you can add music. Now let's go to a site that I use. I'm gonna do it here so you can see. So it's called Bend Sound. It's one word. All right, royalty-free music. So this is gonna work just like Free Pick. Yes, this is royalty-free. Yes, you can use it for free, but you have to give credit. Again, if you're going to download something from the internet, be a good digital citizen, teach this to your students that they have to put the link where they get it from in the credits of the video. You have more options here. So you have a lot of selection, a lot. All right, so let's say that I'm going to download this, right? That is 2 minutes and 27 seconds. I'm going to download, and look at this. It's already telling you if you want to pay for this, you don't have to give credit. We are doing an online video. I know it looks like a book, but we're not doing an audiobook. We're doing an online video, so it's okay to use this specific audio track for what we're doing. But here it says you make sure you are going to give them attributes. So you're going to give them credits. I'm going to copy that. And it's telling you, make sure you give them credit. Again, being a good digital citizen, because otherwise you're stealing. You don't want to teach that to your students. Because whenever I download it, it gives me the MP3. And all you're going to have to do is go back into Adobe, and then you're going to add your music through here. It's going to open it up, and look, I have, because I was practicing, you're going to upload the audio, and boom, you're there, right? So I'm going to go into I'm going to take these off. and I'm going to go into my credits. And then I'm going to add here music from Ben Sound. And here at the bottom, I'm going to add the link to that website because I want to make sure that they get credits because I did not create that audio file. So this is an important lesson that you need to teach your students, okay? So yes, you can add your own music, you can add your own sounds if you want to. I mean, I don't know if you want to do that, but you can add your own MP3 files if you want. It's something you can record online, or you can download it from the web, like in vSound. But make sure that you have, that you give credit, for this.